Hey everyone, well, I'm back with the Model 68 and I'm gonna go over the living room and I'll just first say I apologize. I have my washer going, so that's probably gonna be the other noise here, but um, I just thought that it would still be alright. The other thing is I haven't vacuumed in 3 days or so, so I thought that this would be a good show for how well, a direct air vacuum will clean. Although as I've say, and as a lot of it it's just kind of, I mean, now you've got clean air machines that will do just as well, almost just as well, like a Kenmore Elite comes to mind, but I do really enjoy these because, as you've seen, I have almost all carpet. Basically just this kitchen area and the bathroom and the bedroom are all that's hardwood. That's why for a long time my daily driver was the Sanitaire, and kind of still is. Those and the Auric. I usually notice myself using the XL21 the most, but anyhow, so that's pretty much what I've got to say on that, and we will do some vacuuming. I will probably have to pause and change outlets a few times, but regardless, here we go. So I'm just going to move the outlet here. And then we'll go over the main living area here. Okay. Okay, guys, so as you can see, that, like I say about that, I should have thrown in there when I made the video a long time ago that the sanitary also grooms the carpet nicely, but this did very well. I mean, you know, got the old triple action agitator, and I swear it's hard to beat that it's still going that good after, well, when it hit December, it'll turn 64 years old, so quite amazing how things were made. That's kind of the whole philosophy of why I like to save these old things, and well, any vintage thing I like to save. So I hope you guys have a good one and take care, and I'll see you.